Okay, we're going to look at a vertical line now, which goes up and down, right? Vertical. Okay, now I want you to, what we're trying to do is we're trying to come up with the equation of the line.
Yeah.
And again, to write an equation, you need to know the slope and you need to know the y-intercept.
Yeah.
Looking at this line, if we were to keep extending it, right?
Yeah.
Is it possible that this line is going to intercept the y-axis? Will it have a y-intercept if it keeps going straight up and straight down? It's a straight line, right?
Yeah.
Is it possible for it to pass through this y-axis here? Is it possible that the line's going to hit that? Is it going to cross through it? It's impossible, right?
Yeah.
So there is no y-intercept of a vertical line. There's
Yeah.
none.
Oh, y-intercept.
Okay.
The vertical line?
We wouldn't say that it's 0 because that's a number.
Mm-hmm.
We would say none. There's no y-intercept. Okay. Now let's look at the slope. Well, we know that the slope is rise over run. Okay. Well, let's pick these 2 points here. Let's count the rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, from here to here, it has a rise of 5.
Yeah.
And does it run? Does it go left or right, this line? Does it go across? Like, it has a rise, but does it have a run? The run is actually 0. Try doing this on your calculator. Try doing 5 divided by 0. You'll notice that when you punch this in, your calculator will probably say error,
Yeah.
because you can't take a number and divide it by nothing. So we would say that this has a slope that is undefined. Okay? Now, we're trying to figure out how to write this as an equation. The slope is undefined, so I can't put mx in my equation.
Mm-hmm.
And there's no intercept, so I can't have my equation say y equals.
Yeah.
Because there is no y. Well, where does this line intercept? Which axis does it pass through?
The x.
Good, it passes through the x-axis. So the only thing we can say for this line is that x equals, well, where does it intercept? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the equation.
Oh.
Well, any single vertical line will always go through the x-axis, right? All of these lines, if they keep going.
Is there ever time that you have to count?
All right, so let's look at an example. Here's 3 lines. All of these lines are vertical. They only pass through the x-axis. So what's the equation of the pink line?
It's 1, 2, 3.
0,
Oh,
1, 2,
2.
negative.
Negative, right?
So then the
Oh,
equation
because
would
it's on
be,
the
yeah,
left
it's on the
side.
left. So what would the equation be for this one?
X equals -2.
Good. X equals -2. We know this. Anything that says x equals something
Yeah.
will be vertical.
Have to remember if it's on the left side, it's negative, on the right
Yeah.
side, positive.
Okay,
And
and-
right, that's right. And
Yeah, so then this one, x equals
3.
1, sorry, this is 0, 1, 2.
Oh,
Good. And then the third line, what's the equation?
it's gonna be 1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6.
So the equation would be
X equals 6.
x equals 6.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.